cutting up meat. I'm cleaning the bathrooms. I'm doing whatever it takes to learn how to work with wildlife. About a month into my working there, they found out I had a business degree. Could I help them raise money? Yes, this is an opportunity. I got paid the grand sum of $200 a week. It was the start. Then they promoted me, and they wanted me to become a presenter. A presenter? Okay. How many of you have the pathological fear of public speaking? My gosh. I wanted to run right back to the bank at that point. If I was going to have to speak for a living, no thank you. Right behind the desk. My very first presentation. A massive audience of 20 seniors, half asleep, half blind, half deaf, and I'm sitting there with a hedgehog, sweating, shaking like a leaf. I never wanted to do that. 9 months later, I'd bought my own farm. I had partnered with an accredited zoo to help with the health care of the animals. And I was speaking 3 or 4 times a day, including in front of 10,000 people at Skydome for a benefit for spina bifida. I did not bolt when I thought I should bolt because the passion was stronger. So that's the happy ending to the story, isn't it? No. Because anytime you pursue something with passion, there's ladders of challenges, and you've got to go through the next one. Yes, I was speaking, but my mortgage was $1,371 a month. My revenue, $500. And I did remember enough from my business school training that I can't do that for long. So after working on the business, I'd come home, drive the half hour to Peterborough, Ontario, and I'd flip beers for a $1.95 draft, hoping that that blue-collar economy would tip a guy a nickel tip. I stuck with it. 6 months later, we were cash positive. 2 years later, I had been working with Dr. David Suzuki, Jane Goodall. In the time with the animals, we helped hundreds of animals find better homes, rehab, release. We educated thousands of children across Ontario about endangered species. Got to work with kids for Make-A-Wish Foundation to help their last dreams to come true. It was one of the happiest times in my life. So let's talk about your ultimate dream.